Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how we put the elliptical bottom rail onto a roller shade, and we're going to begin by putting the bottom rail and putting it on unwrapped, and then we'll proceed taking that one off and putting one on that we will wrap. So first of all, we take our plastic extrusion size 14 millimeter that's got the adhesive tape on it, and we attach that to the bottom of the fabric. Make sure you put it on nice and straight. And then take your stapler and staple it about every 4 to 5 inches. This helps hold it in place in case the adhesive gets hot and melts a little bit. Fold it over. Take your bottom rail and you insert it into the side. If you can get a picture of that so you can see where it's being inserted, right into the side, so it's up like that. And that's pretty much it. Then you would put your end caps on here. And that's the way the unwrapped bottom rail elliptical will look. Now next we're going to put the wrapped one on. So we'll take this one off. Okay. And the only difference is that we're going to take the same bottom rail and we're going to put the two-face tape onto the bottom rail, both on the front and on the back, on the part where that open channel is. Okay, so first we take that the same way we did the other bottom rail. We put this one in, slide it in, then we remove the tape that's on the front, not the tape but the paper, and carefully roll it forward and then smooth it out so you get a nice tight fit, and then remove the tape from the back and roll it forward again, tape it down, and then flip the material over, and you're going to take your insertion tool and work the fabric into the groove. Just take it slowly so that the material doesn't come up and over the edge of the rail. You want to make sure that the fabric stays wrapped nice and firm. And make sure that you tuck the material all the way down to the bottom. And then you take your fiberglass rod. Okay, this is the solid fiberglass rod that we use. There are other rods available. There's an aluminum rippled rod that's used also, but this one is the one we tend to use because most of the fabrics are about this thick that I'm using here. If there are fabrics that are a little bit thinner, you might want to use the aluminum rippled rod. But anyways, you take this rod and we're going to insert it into this little pocket here that you can see that we made here. Okay, that's where the rod's going to get inserted into. Just slide it all the way in, and after you do that, you want to maybe pull on the fabric a little bit to get any slack out so that it hangs even. And that's what your wrapped bottom rail will look like. In the front and the back. so it's very hard to see the rod in there. You get a nice wrapped look. And basically at that point you're done. You would just add your end caps at the end to finish. And that's it. Very easy.